Here's a quick clip of all these lights. There's 19 of them. These are Aqua signals, made in Germany, real high quality. Some of them come with bulbs like this one, some of them don't. Spin this open real quick. Like as you take these apart, super high quality, really sweet bulb in there. Waterproof connectors on the bottom. Just glancing through the inventory, we got three red ones. Well, I'm sorry, four, and that's a look at how those mount and how they look. Yeah, that does have a bulb in it, it appears. Yep, I think most of them have bulbs. And then three greens, and we got an all-around. Pop that out of the package. These are all brand new. See, that one doesn't have a bulb, and that's a look at it and how it would mount. So we got one more of those full all-rounds, and then this is a clear, but it doesn't go as stainless on the outside. So Series 40. Some of these have part numbers on them too. And then here's a look at the larger Series 41. And I mean, okay, so that doesn't have the stainless on the outside. There's the three large red ones though, and these have the stainless. And then we got two of the greens, same style. I mean, I have a pretty big hand. These are, I don't know what they would measure, but look at the stainless on there. Real good quality. I don't know what this does. Look at that. What is that, a shade or something? Well, actually don't know what that does. Maybe it turns it off in case you want to flicker it off. And then these are three, I suppose, towing lights because they're orange. So emergency, towing, whatever the case. But again, just real top-notch quality stuff. So looking to get, I have them listed up for $300 for the whole bundle. If you go on eBay, you'll see that a lot of these are selling for, you know, $100, $200 a piece for some of them. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, so this one is the front if you want to do just a single on the front. Pretty large. All right, that's a tour of the stock here. All new.